let's talk about the Sea-Doo Spark. Crankshaft problems. From all the models, 2014 is number 16. You can see this was also totally rusty. You cannot put new seals over it. It's not gonna work. So like you can see, this one, I'm lucky that I still have some old, from the old crankshaft, like here, and I have here. So this piece I like, I let stay, and all what they're gonna do now is put a sleeve over it. That will fix the whole problem. So just like this, stainless steel. So all what I have to do is order 3 new seals with an other inside diameter. So original is 32 millimeters now, and 2 hours for water, 1 hour for oil. And before I do that, I'm gonna put here some gasket maker, or first anti-corrosion. There's some gasket maker, and here maybe also an extra lock type, because otherwise the oil can go under the sleeve. So that's also what you not want. And that must be good to go. And I use a little bit sandpaper here. Also look out if you use sandpaper that no dirty stuff come in here, because here's normally oil. So make sure it is clean before you do it all. And then you must be good to go. So sleeve, stainless steel I use. Some people use Cooper, but I think that is very, very thin. And this can go over. And then you're good to go. I will do it later, otherwise it's tied up. It's very difficult to get off. And that's all you have to do. So I hope this will help you out, some guys with problem with Sea-Doo Spark. When installing the new seals, you can see it's totally also inside full with corrosion. So first you take all corrosion away. Yeah, and then for sure we have to use some liquid gasket to fix the seals, because it's crazy. You can see what happens when you use a jet ski in the ocean. Crazy. Well, let's fix it.